This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Billie Cole. Near the north side of Douglas Lake in Dandridge, TN, Goose Creek Farm welcomes you. This lovely 11-acre property features a beautifully restored 1910 farmhouse, successfully operated as a bed and breakfast business and Black Angus beef production in the recent past. Guests could even board their horses in the 8-stall barn on the property. The 4,600+ square foot home has a spacious main floor master ensuite, a lovely sunroom, large eat-in kitchen, dining room, parlor, living room, laundry room, and mud room. There are 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs, including a second ensuite. The large farm kitchen is loaded with charm, and features a professional-grade gas stove. You will find 3 working fireplaces throughout the home to enjoy in cooler weather. There is a massive 8-bay workshop on the property perfect for woodworking or car restoration, just to name a few possibilities. A 1-bedroom 417 square feet apartment is also located between the home and workshop. A 5-stall barn, detached garage, 6-bay equipment shed, and awesome potting house complete the additional structures. This lovely property is bordered by Goose Creek, which feeds into Douglas Lake. Located only 2 miles from historic downtown Dandridge and a short drive to Pigeon Forge, TN. Goose Creek Farm has so many possibilities: a working farm, a bed and breakfast, or wedding venue. For more information,